In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move sections on Wix. If you're reorganizing a page to improve flow, highlight new content, or simply clean things up, moving sections in Wix is quick and intuitive. Start inside your Wix editor with the site and page you want to adjust open. Make sure you're viewing the correct page in the Pages menu so the section you want to move is visible. It helps to zoom out a bit if your layout is long and close any floating panels that might block your view. Think about the order you want before you start, so the move feels deliberate and clean. Next, click the section you want to move. You'll know the whole section is selected when you see a bounding outline around it, usually with a label like section or strip, rather than just a single image or text box. If you accidentally click an element inside the section, press Escape or click just outside the element until the entire section is highlighted. You can also click the section's background to grab the full area. Take a second to confirm you've got the right one, especially on pages with stacked similar-looking sections, so you don't shift the wrong content. Now click and hold to drag the selected section to your desired location. As you drag, watch for visual guides that appear between sections, showing where the section will land. Move slowly so Wix can snap it into place without overlapping content. If you're trying to position it near a header or footer, give those areas a bit of space. They can be locked and may limit where a section can sit. Release your mouse when the guide shows the exact spot you want. If something doesn't look right, use undo to revert instantly and try again. Keep an eye on spacing above and below so the page feels balanced, and consider consistent margins to maintain a professional look. If the section seems stubborn, it may be part of a group layout. Try grabbing it by the section background rather than by an inner element. And remember, desktop and mobile layouts can differ. So after moving a section on desktop, plan to review the mobile view later to ensure everything stacks neatly. That's all there is to it. Open the page, click the section to select it, and drag it into place. With a few thoughtful adjustments, you'll have a cleaner, more engaging page structure that guides visitors exactly where you want them to go.